How to fix KB5053656 fails to install in Windows 10. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Start with built-in troubleshooters to rule out most common causes of the update error. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Type Y and press Enter. Resetting Windows Update components involves disabling services related to Windows Update, clearing the update cache, and then enabling the services once again. This generally resolves update issues caused by cache or service problems. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.